In this video, I will show you how to add a reading list from the library's databases to your Moodle course. To add a reading list, first go to the topic where you would like to add your readings and click Add Activity or Resource. In the Add an Activity or Resource dialog box, click on External Tool and click Add. In the box that opens, name your reading list, and under Pre-configured Tool, choose EBSCO Curriculum Builder. Then click Save and Display. A blank reading list will open, along with a search box that will allow you to search for readings. Enter a keyword or an author or a specific article title if you know one. And options from our library's EBSCO databases will appear. To choose an article to add to the database, click the Add to Reading List button. If you change your mind, click the button again. Click as many Add to Reading List buttons as you would like. As a general rule, make sure that the articles that you are selecting are full text articles. When you're finished, you can click on the See Current Reading List link, and this will show you a list of the articles that you have added to your students' reading list. On the reading list preview page, you can add a folder, add text or instructions, and add web resources. Click the arrow next to Add a Folder to add folder names. Click it again to add another folder. The folders that you create are listed here. If you've made a mistake, use the pencil to edit your work and then press Enter to save your changes. To add readings to the folders, go to the readings that you have chosen. Now that you've added folders, you'll notice the Move to Folder drop-down. Choose the folder that you would like to use. Once you have put readings in folders, you'll need to click on the folder to see the readings that are in it. You can also add text or instructions. If your readings are in folders, you can add text or instructions to individual folders. If your readings are not in folders, then your text or instructions will apply to all your readings. To add text or instructions, click the arrow next to the Add Text or Instructions link. Enter your text here and choose the folder that it applies to here. Once you're finished typing in your instructions and choosing the folder they apply to, click the Add to Reading List button. Once you've added text or instructions, when you go to the folder, you will see your text and instructions automatically on the bottom. To change the order of the items in your reading list, enter a search order number in the box, put 1 in the item that you would like to appear first, then 2, then 3, etc., and then click Save Changes. When you go back into the folder, you will see your articles and instructions are properly ordered. If there are resources that are found on the web that you would like to add to your reading list so that all of your students' readings are in one place, you can add those using the Add a Web Resource link. Click the arrow. Here you can add a URL and a link label. And choose which folder your URL should go into, and then click Add to Reading List. You will see that your link is added to the top of your folder. If you would like to change the order, put the position that you would like your link to take into this box and click Save Changes. When you go back into the folder, then you will see your instructions, your 2 articles from the library databases, and your link. Whenever you are finished making changes to your database, simply go back to Moodle. Go back into your course, and you will see your reading list under the topic where you added it. If you're logged on as an instructor and you click on the reading list, you'll be taken back to the search box, and you can use the See Current Reading List to edit its contents. If you'd like to see the reading list as your students would see it, go to your name, click on it, and in the drop-down, choose Switch Role To. Choose Student, and then go to the reading list and click on its link. And now you see it as your students see it. You can see that the students can see inside the folders, click on the full text articles, click on the link, but they can't make any changes to the reading list.